Hello, dear friends. Welcome to the series of your pathway to the success of becoming a Red Hat certified system administrator. I'm telling you, if you're following uh, my videos, I guarantee you that if you practice along, you will get your EX200 certification. And today, our topic is most important topic of RHCSA exam, that is recovering root password. Because I've told you earlier that you have to perform task on two machines, Node 1 and Node 2. So if on Node 2 you have to recover root password. If you are unable to do it, you will not be able to perform all other tasks on it. So therefore, it's an important task. But if you follow along, if you practice, if you note down the steps, I guarantee you that you will pass, and you will able to access Node 2 and perform all other tasks as well. Therefore, in a practice in a lab environment, I have pulled up my mobile stamp. I'm going to start one of my machine, and then I will, when it is starting, I after clicking it, I will click E to interrupt grub. I will press E 2-3 times, so I'm able to interrupt the grub. If you are unable to do it, don't worry, power off again, restart again, and go to the grub again. So if you practice 2-3 times, you will be able to enter in the grub. Okay, I'll power off my machine. I'll start the machine, and as soon as it shows up, I will try to interrupt here. I will try to press E. Oh, I missed that. No problem. Issue. No problem. I will power it off again. I will pull up my terminal. I will again start, and let's wait, and as soon as it pops up, okay, I will keep on pressing E, and here I was able to interrupt the graph. So if you are unable to do this once, don't need to worry, you should do it again and again, and I hope in 1 2 3 times you'll be able to grab it, and with practice you will do it with complete perfection. So when you are able to interrupt the graph, you'll see this screen. So my cursor is blinking right here. You can see that. So what you should do, you should go to the line. You have to find a line starting from Linux. Here it is. This is the line starting from Linux in Red Hat version 9. Okay. We'll use the right arrow and move between the line to find our RO. Here it is. This RO means that's a read only. Because we want to change our root password, we'll change it to RO to RW. This is the first thing that you're going to do when you are trying to recover the root password. After powering on the machine, restarting the machine, you'll press E to interrupt grub, and then you will go and find the line starting from Linux. Then use your right arrow to find the read O like this and change it to RW, read write. Here you have to go to the end of this line. So what you have to do, this is very important, folks. What you have to do, you'll press Control plus E. See, the cursor automatically comes to the last of line. So it is important. In the line starting from Linux, you can see that that backslash certainly means it is a continuity. There is a continuity in the line. It is not a second line or third line. It is the same line that is starting from Linux, and now after changing RO to RW, when we press Control E, it automatically came at the end of the line. Here in the exam, you should also do this. You will interrupt the graph. You will find the line starting from Linux, do RO to RW, and Control E. You will come to the end of the line. Here you are going to do init equals slash bin slash bash, and you can see the other option. You can have Control X or F10. And one more thing, one important thing, you see this last line starting from initrd, ending from initrd, you are never going to touch it. Okay, If you do so, you'll make changes in the kernel and your machine mess ups. So simply after changing RO to RW, Control E, and you'll press init equals /bin/bash. Here you're going to enter Control X. As soon as you enter, it will take you to an interactive minimum shell. It's a bash shell. Here it is. First thing that we are going to do is we are going to change the root password. So command is to change the password is password. Password would work, but for being more specific, we can say okay, password root, and change it to the password whatever they give you in the exam. Retype the password. Okay, that's done. The second thing that you are going to do is relabeling the auto Linux parts, SC Linux part, so that it is not going to conflict between the new instruction that we are giving it. So the command is you're going to do touch slash dot auto relabel. These are the spellings. It is AUTORELABEL, not BLE, because if you type in BLE, it will create a new machine that will be different. So the command, the words are very important, spellings are very important. That is touch dot slash dot auto relabel. Enter. And here everything is done. Now let's call from the swin directory the reboot option and reboot our machine, reboot -f. So all things are done. We have successfully recovered the root password. Let's press enter so that our machine rebooted, and let's wait. Enter. So it's because it's our local environment, it is behaving like that, but nothing to worry about. In the Red Hat environment, you will not get these errors. When you'll perform the task, you will get it certainly 100% right. So, okay, we have rebooted, we have started again. So it will get the previous instruction and start executing whatever was given to whatever instructions and whatever we have done while recovering the root password. Look, see, if you see on your screen SC Linux auto relabeling, that means you have done your part perfectly right. Your machine is doing all the things necessary at the back end so that your newly recovered root password works perfectly fine, and there isn't any conflict between the SC Linux and old files and the new instructions. So it will take some time, and after that you'll get your screen and you can enter the terminal, you can verify your password, and you can rest it. And after this you are able to perform all other questions that was given to you by the Red Hat to perform or not to, because now you have complete access to your machine. Here we are. It's very good. Okay, let me get the terminal. Okay, the terminal is here. Now let me test my root password. Okay, and here it is. Who am I? I'm root. And host name. What is the host name of machine? It's node1example.com. It should be node2, but anyhow, this is a way to recover root password. And if you follow this, if you make notes, if you practice it, I'm telling you 100% you will get full marks in this, and you'll be able to recover the root password. Important thing, after changing RO to RW, press Control E to get up the line, and there you will perform that all the tasks.